Hello very own. Welcome to this exciting journey into the world of digital marketing and social media marketing. My name is Akram Hassan, and I'll be your instructor throughout this course. I'm thrilled to guide you as we explore the strategies, tools, and techniques that businesses and individuals use to thrive online. A little about me: I've been working in the field of digital marketing for 11 years, specializing in areas like social media management, SEO, content marketing, paid ads, and email marketing. I've had the pleasure of working with diverse industries, from startups and e-commerce brands to service-based companies, helping them build strong online presences and achieve business growth. What you can expect from this course. Over the next few sessions, we'll dive deep into social media platforms, how to use Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more effectively, SEO and content marketing, getting your brand discovered through search engines, paid advertising, using Google Ads, Facebook ads, and other tools to generate leads, analytics and optimization, tracking your efforts to improve campaigns. Whether you're looking to build a career in digital marketing, enhance your skills, or grow your own business, this course will provide you with practical knowledge and tools that you can start applying right away. My teaching approach. My goal is to make our learning experience interactive, practical, and fun. Alongside theoretical lessons, we'll also focus on hands-on activities, real-world case studies, and group discussions. I encourage you to ask questions, share your thoughts, and collaborate with each other to get the most out of this course. I'm here to support you every step of the way, so never hesitate to reach out if you need guidance or clarification. By the end of the course, my hope is that you'll feel confident and empowered to implement what you've learned, whether in your job or personal projects. I look forward to learning and growing with all of you throughout this course. Let's make the most of our time together and start building the digital future today.